Hello everyone. On this International Albinism Awareness Day, I'm happy to support person with albinism. Support service to enhance person with albinism. So children who have born with albinism will have vision problem. So maybe a blind or a low vision. So vision rehab service allows people who require special need to continue to live independently and maintain their quality of life. Vision rehab techniques such as modifying, lightening, and providing telescope optical device to these patients can experience dramatic improvement in functional visual acuity. Support service. The level of visual impairment is variable with albinism and ocular albinism. We work closely with patients to determine the types of service needed. Vision rehab service provide individualized plan and based on specific goal and level of visual impairment. Counseling, special skill training, low vision device training, educational rehabilitation, computer training, vocational rehabilitation. Counseling, the combination of service, parental counseling and assessment. Rebuild their confidence in the process of bringing up their children with special need and challenges. Assess the residual vision based on that individualized plan and specific goals will be assigned. Special skill training. Training in the use of special education device such as communication skill, reading and writing with magnifiers, braille, assistive computer technology, independent living and personal management skill, that is activity daily living skill, orientation and mobility, environmental modification. Educational device. The educational device which will support for the person with albinism. Abacus, braille state, large print, trailer frame, magnifiers, braille typewriter, reading and writing device. Some of the person with albinism required mobility training. So mobility training, the device will be giving under the rehabers, mobility training, sighted guide techniques, smart cane training, low vision device training on reading and writing with low vision device, that is optical, non-optical and electronic device. What are the optical device provided for them? Telescope and magnifiers to see near and distance. For the near base, we are providing magnifiers, handheld magnifiers. So how to use the magnifiers will be training under the rehab. So how to fix, track and to read and write and copywriting will be training under this optical device. Non-optical device, signature guide, letter writer, sentence reader, bank book check leaf. Non-optical device. So understand the causes and risk of the condition. Individual should use white hat, sunscreen and avoid excessive sun exposure in order to protect the skin from the sunburn and skin cancer. So that if the child is or a person with albinism is going for in a sun, high explorer of a sun, they are required to wear the gray glass and hat to protect themselves from the sun. Electronic device, that is a magnifier with audio and video. Mobile software. This mobile software inbuilt in our smartphone. High contrast text, talkback, color invention, magnification, color correction, text to speech, select to speak, accessibility menu. And beside of that, some other apps are being developed by the person in the Play Store that can be installed and they can use the app also for the more to work with the smartphone. Rehabilitation education. So what are the educational guidance provided from the rehab? So based on the child need, we will be setting their mode of education. Special school, only the child with disability. Integrated education, both normal and disabled setup will be made on the integrated education. Inclusive education, special attention given to the disabled. The resource person will be guide them for the children with a special need. Mode of material, regular print with large low vision device, large print, audiobook, braille book, assistive software. Computer training for the children with albinism and other special needs children also we are providing from the standard of 8th. So most students with albinism can participate in general education program which appropriate support service, large font, color contest, keyboard stickers. Computer software which will be more support for them to work with the computer. Magic, Supernova, Lex, JAWS. Occasional rehabilitation. Since not all use their vision with the same efficiency. So some of the children or a patient with albinism, they will not use their vision with what residual vision they used to have. Based on the vision and the efficiency will be making them, it is important to consider the individual ability, need and skill level of each person. So what is their ability, what they required as the vocational, on based only we'll be providing the service for the children with albinism or person with albinism. Other service information providing in this area from the government will be supporting them to get the medical certificate, that is UDID card. How to apply for the certificate, where should I walk? I will get my UDID card. So person with who has a problem with vision will refer them for the government eye hospital. From there, the doctor will be giving the acknowledgement that is how much of the vision has child have the problem. Based on that, they will be providing a percentage. On the percentage, the card will be provided for the person with disability. This card will be verified by BEO and BRC person, and it will be dispatched in person with disability office. After getting this UDID card, they will start to get the monthly pension. This monthly pension will be vary from state wise. After that, they can get the travel concession from railway and roadway, income tax reduction, scribe assistance. The person who required a scribe assistance, I could not able to perform in a duration of my exam. I need more time, or I need someone to be assist. I can tell my answers so that the person can write my exam. For that base, we'll be providing the scribe assistant, audiobook service, braille book, scholarship. From government, they are providing the scholarship to motivate the children to go for the school. United in making our voice heard. Thank you.